By now you may be wondering what I'm doing out in the yard. Well, I've got this Simpson 3400 pressure washer, and I wanted to show it to you. I just put it together, oil, gas, so on. Got water running to it, and I started it up, and it started after the second pull for the first start. So I like that real well. Got a lawn tractor here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little wash, see what we think, okay? On, choke. There we go. Okay, hope you can handle that noise. It did fine, cleaned it right up. Of course, it's just, dirt, dust, grass clippings, but plenty of power. We're on well water, so if you notice it going up and down, that's because my well pump kicking on. So anyway, it'd be a good one. I've got a lot of use for it. So it's a Simpson 3400, 4.2 gallons per minute. So I like it, and I bet you will too. Bye now.